My name is Konrad Ryk. My position is CNC Apprentice. When I was in high school, I took an integrated manufacturing class at my local high school, and I didn't know what to do for a career path. And then machining really inspired me, and my teacher told me about the ICATT program.
For me, growing up, it was always, go to school for 4 years, you come out and you find a job. And that is sort of 15-year-old thinking now. The work education programs seem to be producing very good results. So it's changing the landscape overall, big picture-wise.
After a month of just training with my mentor and him showing me the ropes on everything, then it just became second nature.
I can honestly say that since working with ECC, I feel like this is how a program's supposed to be run. Very informative, very supportive.
School's been definitely the hardest, but everyone here and at ECC, they're always, trying to, you can do it, you can do it. Even when I talk to machinists that have been doing this for 40 years, they're still learning something new every day. So it kind of, helped me relax and be like, okay, every day you're gonna learn something new, and I still do, even 2.5 years after.
It is a very mutual relationship where both sides need to put in the effort, and again, what you put into it is going to be what you get out of it.
Definitely want to stay at this company. Right now I'm just a CNC machinist, operator, program setup guy. But at one point I do want to be the whole foreman of the shop.
It's kind of neat to see when they do come on board out of the program. I mean, they are off and they are running hard, and usually it's very gratifying for them to start contributing as full-time employee.
The employer will know you will make mistakes. I've made multiple mistakes, so they'll understand, and they'll try to help you, make sure that you don't make that same mistake again. And they always want to make you the best of yourself as they can.